Good morning all of you. In the last class we have already discussed about addition of integers and now we will be discussing about subtraction of integers with the help of a number line. Okay. So let's take an example and see what happens when we are subtracting two integers. Let's take 6 and minus 2. So 6 minus 2. This is the question. So when a question is given like this, first what you have to do? First you need to mark the first number. What is the first number here? That is 6. So you have to mark 6 on the number line. That is 6 is here. Okay. Now the next number is what? Minus 2. That is you are going to subtract minus 2 from 6. So in the case of addition, we already know that when we were doing addition on a number line, if the second number to be added was a negative number, then we usually go to left side, go towards or move towards left side when the second number was a negative number. And also when it was a positive number, then what happens? We will be moving to right side. But in the case of subtraction on a number line, the things are just opposite to addition. That is, here when the second number is a negative number or second number have got a negative sign, then what happens? We will be moving towards the right side here. Okay, when the second number is a negative number, then we will be moving towards the right side. So here also the second number is minus 2. So we need to move to which side? To right side. In addition, it was towards left side when the second number is a negative number. But in the case of subtraction, you need to move to right side. By how many steps? By 2 steps. So 1, 2. Okay, so you will reach here. So this will be the answer. That is, this will be equal to plus 8. Okay. So first what you have to do, you have to mark the first number, that is here it is 6. So you mark 6 here. Then you need to see the second number. Here it is minus 2. Since it is minus means in the case of subtraction you need to move to right side. By how many steps? Since the number is 2 here, you need to move 2 steps. So you will reach where? From 6 you will reach 8. So the answer will be plus 8. You need to just mark only these arrow mark, no need of marking these marks. Okay, so the answer will be plus 8. Understood? From this we can understand that when we are subtracting a negative number from any number, we will get a greater integer. Okay, here we are subtracting a negative number minus 2 from 6. So we are getting a number 8 which is greater than 6. Okay, so whenever we are subtracting a negative number from any integer, we will get a greater number. Understood the concept? Now let's take another example and see what happens when doing the subtraction. Let's take minus 1 minus plus 4. Okay. So here first what you have to mark? Here you have to mark minus 1 first because it is the first number here. So where is minus 1? You can see minus 1 is here. Now what is the number to be subtracted from minus 1? It is plus 4. Since it is plus here, you need to move to which direction? To left side. Okay. In the case of subtraction, everything is just opposite to addition. So here it is plus 4. So since it is a positive number, you have to move to left side. So left side you have to move by how many steps? By 4 steps. That is the number is 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will reach here. Okay. So what is the answer? The answer will be minus 5. So minus 1 minus plus 4 equal to minus 5. Okay. So this is the case of subtraction using a number line. Things are very simple. So when doing subtraction on a number line, you need to just understand one thing, that is the first thing that you have to do is you have to mark the first number on the number line. Then you have to note the second number which is to be subtracted. If it is positive means you have to move to left side. If it's negative means you have to move to right side. That is just opposite to addition on number line. Okay. Now from these answers you will note one thing, that is without using this number line how we can do the subtraction. Let's see that. So here in the first case we got the answer as plus 8 and in the second case we got the answer as minus 5 by using number line. Now let's see what happens when we are subtracting any two integers without using number line. So in the first case you can see that we got the answer plus 8. That means what? When we are doing the subtraction of minus 2 from 6, we got the answer as 8. That means this is similar to what? 6 plus 2. You know that 6 plus 2 equal to 8. That means 6 plus 2 is similar to what? 6 minus minus 2. So subtracting minus 2 from 6 is similar to adding 2 to 6. Okay, that means what? Whenever you are asked to subtract any integer from another integer, you need to just do what? Addition. Addition of what? Addition of additive inverse of the second integer. That means here the second integer is minus 2. So 6 minus minus 2 is similar to adding 6 plus additive inverse of 2. Okay, you need to add the additive inverse of minus 2. Why minus 2 here? Because the second number or the integer which is being subtracted is minus 2. So you need to take the additive inverse of minus 2. Okay, and you have to add that additive inverse to 6. Then you will get the answer as 8. So if you are asked to find any subtraction of integers, then you need to just add the additive inverse of integer being subtracted to the first integer or to the other integer. Okay, let's see what happens in the case of second one. Okay, what you have to do first, you have to write the first number as it is, that is minus 1 itself. Then instead of minus sign you need to put plus sign. Then what you have to do, you have to add the additive inverse. Add the additive inverse of not minus 4. Here the second number is plus 4. So you have to add the additive inverse of plus 4. What is the additive inverse of plus 4? How you will take the additive inverse? You have to just take the opposite sign. If it is plus, you have to take the minus sign. If it is minus sign, you have to take the plus sign. In that way you will find the additive inverse. So if you are asked to find the additive inverse of plus 4 means what? It will be minus 4. So minus 1, instead of minus you have to put the plus sign and you have to add the additive inverse of plus 4 which is minus 4. Now you know that how to add integers having the same sign. How you will add? You have to add them, that is 1 plus 4 and put the sign, which is the sign here. Both are having negative sign, so you have to put the negative sign or the minus sign. So you will get minus 5. Okay, so this answer is similar to this answer. So this minus 5 you got by using the number line. So this is similar to what? Adding additive inverse. So in this way you can do the subtraction of integers without using number line. Now let's see some more examples and see the subtraction of integers. So this is our next question, that is subtract minus 4 from minus 10. Now let's see how you can do subtraction without using number line. So you have to subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So first you have to write the number minus 10 and you are going to subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So you will be writing like this. Now what you will do? You will write the first number as it is, that is minus 10. And instead of minus 10 sign, you have to put the plus sign. Now you have to add the additive inverse of minus 4. Okay, additive inverse of minus 4. What is additive inverse of minus 4? So first you have to write minus 10 plus additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. So you will get 10 minus 10 plus 4. So you are having integers with different signs. Then what you will be doing for addition? For addition, you will be first subtracting them, subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number, that is 10 minus 4. And what will be the sign? The sign will be of bigger number, that is bigger number is 10 here and its sign is negative here. So you will put the negative sign. So the answer will be minus 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, so the answer will be minus 6. That is, here for subtraction, you are converting this subtraction into addition, and when you are converting it, you will be adding with the additive inverse of the second number or the number which is being subtracted, 6. So in this way you can do the subtraction of integers. I hope you understood the concept. Okay, thank you.